I know there's quite a few videos out there of putting these headlights in, but I like to document what I'm doing, so if I have to look back on it, I have reference for myself. I want to at least try to get as much as I can accomplished on this, because like I said, I'm running on borrowed time. I will not be going over every single detail, but I want to at least get them set. I don't know if I have time to actually wire them today, but that just means when I get back to it, at least this part is taken care of. I must say, glory to y'all for this wonderful day and this opportunity to go ahead and get this done. Now the one on the side, I noticed, have a bigger washer on them. This is the one that came off the side. Yeah, the washers for the side ones are much bigger than the three that are on top. And you got 3 lines, 1, 2, 3, that you have to disconnect. This here is held in place with one of those little pieces like that. Can't see it from here, but just know it's held in place with it. That appears to be my main one. So we're going to connect that one. This one appears to not go anywhere. That's got 3. Okay, so this one will go in place with that one. And it looks like this one here is quickly coming out of place. Okay, so those 3 are connected. This only has this one connected, so this will come out of place. I'm not needing this at the moment for the SC. This line appears to go in place for that single line for this one. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 for the SE. All 3 lines are in place. You just route this in here for now. That's the one closest to fuse box. A lot of videos they talk about the alignment. Mine lined up pretty good. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing for this one. I don't need the harness that came with it. So that to the side. Now to attach the original line. This happened to be a 10 millimeter for all of these. Once again, I think that's pretty good alignment on that. Okay, so that's the basic. And installing those with the front end off, it actually took around, like, you can do it in 30 minutes as far as getting them in place. I need to get a fuse, one of those fuse adapters, so that'll be next. Okay, I take it that is it. I just have to hook that white wire up